So, you can say, I am good, kei te pai ahau, and you can say that you are well, kei te ora ahau. There's a few other words that we can add. Māuiui is one. Māuiui means sick. Kei te māuiui ahau, at the moment I am sick, or kei te māuiui au, same. Or riri is the word to be angry. Kei te riri ahau, I am angry. But maybe you're not really sick. Maybe you're just a little bit sick or a little bit angry. So there is a word, ahua. Now ahua means has the appearance of, okay? And in a sentence like this, it means somewhat, a little bit, kind of. So instead of saying kei te pai ahau, I am good, you can say kei te ahua pai ahau, I'm kind of sort of good. Or if you are just a little bit sick, you could say kei te ahua māuiui ahau, or kei te ahua ora ahau, I'm a little bit sick, or I'm kind of sort of only a little bit well. Or if you're just a little bit angry, you're not really mad, you could say kei te ahua riri ahau. But what if you're really sick? Okay, then there's another word like ahua, which means a little bit, and it is tino. T-I-N-O. Now it's really easy to say tino. Kei te tino pai ahau, and people do, and I do sometimes. But it's not tino, it's tino, because the O is an O sound. So, kei te tino pai ahau, I am really good. Kei te tino pai ahau. Kei te tino ora ahau, I am really well. Or kei te tino māuiui ahau, I am really sick. Or kei te tino riri ahau, I am really angry. So angry. I hope you're not angry or sick. I hope that you're tino pai and tino ora. That's what I hope. I hope so. Please, love.